Guys, I received my order in AliExpress today. A new model of spot welding controller. It's very small. It's too small. And manufacturer provide install 5 MOSFET and increase the traces. Increase the thickness of the traces. It's looking good. But I have a route to the output and input net positive because this area only rely the traces from this thickness from the PCB board. This type of traces thickness unfortunately cannot carry a large current, but let's try it today. Before that, we'll check at the back. Oh wow, I thought it's only 5 MOSFET, but it's 10 MOSFET. They install also at the back. Surprise, it is big surprise. 10 MOSFET in small circuit board, and a small circuit board for a spot welding controller. So let's try it today, guys. Let's kick it. Ice, ice.
Ghost me.
I'm using a 12 volts, a 3S lithium battery, 8400 milliamp, and 120 discharge rate. Let's make sure what's this one. Almost 1.5, almost 0.15. Let's try this one. I forget to on. Let's on first. That's gear 1. This is the problem, guys. When the traces is too thin, it's thinner. And look at that, it got the damaged traces. And because of that, it blown the MOSFET. The traces it's got. So it's better to make the traces thicker from this side, from this, all the traces until to the output, from the input and to the output. You see this one? You see the traces? It's blown. I damaged my MOSFET. MOSFET also damaged. It's failure. Totally failure. If you buy the cheap spot welding from Chinese, you should increase the thickness of the traces. Look at these things. The traces melt. The traces melting down. I look at the back also. The traces totally melt. Even though they increase the traces on this area, but in this area nothing. Steam. Next time, guys, if you buy cheap spot welding from Chinese, you should increase the traces from this input, make it thicker, and also the output. This is a this is a good example. Because by the blown up MOSFET is just with thinner traces, as you can see. Like that. And then this MOSFET's blown. Oh, this is a crop. Not totally blown up, but yeah, it's damaged because it's crop. So I need to replace this MOSFET hole.